Hi boys, it's me Luke again. I'm sorry for the delay. I haven't been posting lately because my schedule has been doubled. I work as a doctor and my schedule has been really tight. And apologies also for the background noise. I'm in a cafe because that's the only time I can find available to help you guys. But most of my videos have been on shorts, so people wanted me to make them on longs, the ICT concepts, but based on a long, not for a short. And I'm gonna show you how I cashed in 2K just a few minutes ago, like half an hour ago, using ICT concepts, LUX ALGO indicator, and so here we go. So I've people wanting me to do the replay so you can see it step by step. But here we go. So step one, what was our step one? Our step one was to grab the liquidities, right? So we're looking for a long, so we look for sell side liquidity. Here we have a lot of liquidity. Look, almost equal highs, equal highs. So anything below that will mean it's grab. If it's continued down, it's a continuation. But if it goes down and up, it's a grab. And that's what we're looking for. Step one, we grabbed a nice, huge liquidities here. Step two, ignore this FVG right now. Because when do we look for FVG? If we have a market structure break. So market structure shift. So indeed, we're looking now for step two, which is market structure shift. So let me just put this as one. So let's go. See if we can make a market structure shift. Lux Algo, beautifully, in a few seconds. Right there. Right there. You see, it formed a market structure break, right? A market structure shift. They're both the same thing, to be honest. Charge are also the same thing. Just terminology, I prefer shift because it's more applicable in terms of ICT concepts. So here we grab the liquidity, step one. Step two, we have formed a market structure shift. That's awesome. And step three was we did this in a very strong replacement. Look, two green candles, almost taking out all this like really shifting the market, not just the small ones. And then step four, I think, the next step is we look for a imbalance, FVG or imbalance, whatever you want to call it. An FVG or imbalance that has been formed by this strong displacement breaking this shift or shifting the market. Breaking the market or shifting the market. So indeed, we got a really beautiful FVG right here. So our entry would be from here. We put our stop loss a little bit here, depending how much you want to risk. I prefer, depending how much you want to risk. Uh, Also, remember, you must always be able to weather this FVG over here. So this would be a nice place to put it, but that's too much for me. I put it this for this trade. I put it exactly right there, but I don't want to weather this much. I can't weather this much, and I haven't taken a trade in a long time. So, but this was a really beautiful opportunity, and so I wanted to take it. And the risk is very small compared to what my target will be because I have beautiful targets right here. The first target would be this equal highs here, uh, this here, this here, this here, and also to back up my trade, we have a huge imbalance here to be filled, and price loves to fill this stuff. So we have a huge imbalance over here. So I took my target over right here, but this can keep going as much as it did, as much as it wants. It can go up to here, but remember, I don't like staying in the market long because that exposed me to risk, unnecessary risk, and I don't have the time to be honest with you. So this was exactly my trade. You can obviously put it like this because if it breaks this FEG, your theory is half wrong. Why? Because price might want to fill its FEG. Remember, I told you have to weather. So if you want to able to weather all this, go with the smaller size. Go with the micros. But anyway, just like this, it took me a few minutes to set up my setup, and then let me just speed this up a bit. And boom, it entered our entry right there. Beautiful. Just tapped it. Just tapped our entry. And the price just moon to the moon, just like that. Enjoy.